Hello everyone, today I have this 4-channel 360-degree view dashcam. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get the power cord, suction mount, rear camera, adhesive mount, a bag with installation tools, the user manual, and the dash camera. This is everything you get in the box. It supports loop recording, so older footage is automatically overwritten once the memory card is full. The camera comes with a 64GB memory card, which is plenty of space to enjoy continuous recording. When triggered, it locks with that video segment in a separate protected folder, so you won't risk losing critical footage after an accident. And with enhanced night vision, it performs exceptionally well in low light conditions, thanks to its 8 infrared lights, wide f1.8 aperture, and WDR technology. It captures sharp, detailed footage even while driving at night. The installation process is super easy. I start by attaching the front camera to the windshield by using the suction cup mount, but you can also use the 3M adhesive mount if you prefer. Next, I run the power cable through the gap of the interior trim until I get to the cigarette lighter connection, and I plug the cable into the camera. I do the same thing with the rear camera cable. Attach the rear camera to the windshield, plug it into the dash cam, hide the remaining cable into the trim, and you are good to go. Another feature I love is the built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to connect to the dash cam via the Viewer app, making it super easy to access and manage your footage from your phone. Oh, and it's available on both Android and iOS devices. To turn on this feature, go to Settings, scroll to Wi-Fi, and turn it on. In the app, press on Add Camera, follow the instructions, and in the Wi-Fi settings, connect to the S01 network using the 123-456-78 password.